Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am Saeed Sheikh. Your why power inspires you to take care of yourself, your purpose, and your why, and that you need to simply not care what anyone else thinks about you. You have to love and want your best self, and you need to very particularly know that by taking care of you, you can better take care of others with positive mind. Do what you need and want for you to be at your best throughout the junk and confusions. This is your journey, not theirs. If you don't stand up and hang up to your why, no one else will. You alone are responsible for what you do and what you don't do, or how you respond to what is done to you. Let me share famous quote of Darren Hardy. Forget about willpower. It is a time for why power. Your choices are only meaningful when you connect them to your desires and dreams. The wisest and the most motivating choices are the ones aligned with which you identify as your purpose, your core self, and your highest values. You've got to want something and know why you want it, or you will end up giving up too easily. Remember that the ultimate measure of the man's story is not where he stands at the moment of comfort, but where he stands at the time of challenges. What is your why? Your why must be something that is fantastically motivating you. You have got to get up and go, go, go. This is what the why is. This is what the why motivates you. And you have to get up and go, go, go for years. It is the power and instinctive feeling of your why that will get you to the finish line of your goal. If you want to get from where you are to where you want to be, you have to start by becoming aware of the choices that leads you to your desired destination. No matter what happens to you, take full responsibility of it. Good or bad, victory or defeat, own it. You make your choices, and then your choices make you. I repeat, in essence, you make your choices, and then your choices make you. And your why must be something that's fantastically motivating you towards your choices and goals. For more videos on the power of why, stay with Shaikhain.